Hi guys, welcome to Softechel technology. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use if loop. Suppose this is my I am going to already written for you program. Now let's start the video. Suppose I will show you output first. After that you will see. Suppose we have enter 61. Now what will happen? First grade it is showing. Now if you want to see what the video is going on, 46 we have to print. It's grade second. Now, if it is 34, we are printing third grade. Now, if you print 22, third grade. No, so there is an error. I will show you later what is the error. So, till watch the end, till watch this video end. Now, we have to start hash include st.conio.h white man as user. Enter the number. This is a very important. Enter first number. First number means you can do any number. You can write here enter any number and enter number, simple, fine. Now we have to scan enough percent d as usual, already told you ampersand a. If a is, why we are using if as you said, if is usual command. If you want to go there, then you have to do like this. If you want this one, criteria we are putting here, means if you are putting this criteria, then you will get the result according to you. Suppose if you don't want to go office, then what you will do? If I will go, then I have to do work this. If I will not go, then I will do like that. If I go to office, I have to do office work. If I go at home, then I can do like this blah blah work. Now we have to start this video before wasting time. This is if is a predefined keyword. We can use here, my cursor is here. If is a predefined keyword. Now we have to a is greater than equal to 60. If it is a value, a value means what value we have enter here, a value. A value is greater than equal to 60. Then we have to print here anything you can do it, means you have given expression. What we have done here printf percent d means simple first grade. Else if, see this is very if condition. If else if and else you want to so many if else if you can put so many if else if else if else if. Only problem is here, if first you put and end of the output you want to print f else. It is a very small video, that's why I am telling this simple thing. If a is greater than equal to 60, we have to print first grade. Now else if, why we are using else if? Because you want to give 2 and 3 condition more, then we can use the else if. Otherwise we can put here if a is greater than 60, else this. But I want to show you how to print the second division, first division, third division grade. Else if a is greater than equal to 45 and a is less than equal to 60, means and is the concatenated. This is the very important thing, as is the concatenate number. Printf second grade, else printf. Now see, end of the day what we have, end of the program what we have written here, else printf third grade, means integer a equal to 0, as usual values is there. A is less than equal greater than equal to 60, a is greater than 45 and a is greater less than equal to 60. In this condition is very important, then only we will get the printf grade second. Otherwise everything it will belong to the 40 grade. Now we have to, I will show you output already, but I'm going to suppose we have to print here 62 number, first grade it is coming. No need to print this CLR SCR. I am going to comment this one. And now again it is, see, enter number, again he is asking enter number, then I have to print here 46 number second again. Okay, now if you want to again, suppose you are print here 33, what happened, third grade. This is the output of the program. So this is our if condition. Soon I will tell you, enter any value and you will get the frequently you will get the we can say that you can get the table. Whatever you will get enter number, you will get the table, but using for loop. Sure. So thanks for watching video.